collect the data of a white
Green
vegetation. You can see there is a leaf. So now if I want to collect the data from that leaf, I have to put these leaves instead of this white reference band. So now I am going to put, you can see in the screen. You can see the green vegetation is there, and now you can see in the screen there is absorption and also reflectance is there. So this graph showing that this vegetation having some contents. If I say contents in the vegetation, it is like some chlorophyll, water contents, etc. So in the graph you can see there is some absorption at the band of 700, then again in the 1400, and again in the 2000 series. So if I want to save this data, you have to do the same process like this. You have to go in the control, then you have to click on spectrum save, and before spectrum saving you have to create one folder. So now I am going to create one folder in the same data collection. In the white reference folder I am opening, and then here I am again creating one folder. That folder name is green vegetation data. Now the folder is created. So you have to go control, then spectrum save, and then you have to choose that folder. In that folder you can see green vegetation data is there. You have to click OK. You have to give the name. Now I am changing the name here. Green vegetation data 1. Now here I am to click begin to save, and then I want multiple files, so I have to press spacebar after the spectrum average completing 100%. See, I am just pressing the spacebar for saving the multiple files.
Why you save the multiple files?
Because when we are collecting the data, so at the time of collecting the data, there will be some differences in the environment. Suppose here we are collecting data from last 10 minutes. So here is some environmental effect, like here is suffocation or the dust is came. So in the every file we will see the minor changes. So we don't want these minor changes for every file. So we scan the data for 20 times and then we take the average. So these things we can ignore. So for that we take minimum 20 scans per sample.
You just make a plan for the average sample you collect and
Yes.
make a mean.
Yes, take mean file from that, or we can say we have to take the average from all the files. So now you can see in that folder the average files this came. You can see in data collection. Then the folder name is white reference, and in that white reference folder you can see there is one folder green vegetation. You can see there is a files. So we take all the files. Actually the ASD also provide one software for statistical analysis on this ASD files. That software name is ViewSpec Pro software. That ViewSpec Pro software can be used for further analysis. So one of is to take the average, to take the mean files from all the files. For that software we will use for take the mean files.
So now could you show how to open this files
in ViewSpec Pro software. Okay, I will show. The software name is, in the laptop screen there is one software. Sir, we will make another video for specially ViewSpec Pro software.
Okay, sure.
It is up to for RS3 software only.